Good morning, this is Carrie with Oxford Inspections, and I'm here with Shanahen. He's with Blue Ribbon Plumbing, and Shanahen's going to tear down this furnace today. Shanahen, tell us what we're doing and why.
What we're doing today is we are tearing down this train unit. This is a residential furnace, and during routine maintenance and inspection here recently, we discovered that the carbon monoxide levels leaving the appliance were quite high, over 3,000 parts per million. And that's a real concern. So carbon monoxide can be fatal, and it is a huge detection in poor combustion. So we have diagnosed this furnace extensively, checked gas pressures and all sorts of and other checks here, and we've verified that the main the main heat exchanger in this has failed. Probably the secondary heat exchanger is what we're looking at. That has failed, probably rotting out. We're getting poor flow through that, and it's causing the furnace to overheat. So today we're going to rip the whole furnace apart, and we're going to change the primary and secondary heat exchangers. On this train unit, that does come as one piece, and we'll get it all back together, check the combustion, and make sure it's burning safely.
Awesome. Shanahen, what do homeowners need to know about this? Like, how do you find this kind of thing out?
Well, the best thing you can do is to get annual maintenance by a qualified gas fitter. And also with that, we do highly recommend the combustion analysis. So combustion analysis is testing the flue gas that's leaving the appliance. We're making sure that it's burning the right levels of carbon monoxide, which should be very low. We're looking for good levels of oxygen and good excess air. And it basically just tells us what the appliance is doing, and it can be a real telltale sign of if it's burning as per manufacturer spec, and can give us those early warning signs that something's going on that shouldn't be. So it's a really helpful tool that we use.
Awesome. Shanahen, thank you very much for that. We're going to check in with you throughout the day, but we'll let you get to work here and get out of your face. You know what? Later on, when Shanahen's nearly done, we're going to go Facebook Live with this. So check back with us later on today, and you get to see some of the end results of this. Thanks very much, Shanahen. Have a great day.
Thank you.